In today's video, I'm going to show you how to design Happy New Year poster, banner, card, etc. using Canva.com. Canva is absolutely free video and photo editing software. So fast after login, you can face this dashboard. So if you're a mobile user, you can download this Canva app from Play Store, and if you're Apple user, you can download this app your Apple Store. So after login, you can type create button. Then here are 7 type of design pre-template. You can choose any others. Then newer cards, so I choose this one. You can choose in others as well. It's don't matter, whatever you want, just select one. Then now and click on design. Then you can see new year card already selected, right? So you can choose first this one, and you can choose any others as well. Then happy new year 2026, and you can add some element and change everything and anything. This is possible, so I need to click on elements. Then here I type new year, then click on enter. Then I think you found lots of um, elements. That click on graphics, then click on see all. Then you can add this one. You can add your own name, party, sport, field, this one, and you can design your own way. It's doesn't matter. So this is absolutely free method. You can doing on here, and again this on. Sorry, this on, no, this one. Okay, now just choose on here. Now if you want to download this design, once you have completed design, you need to download, right? Now click on share button, then click on download, then download as a JPG or PNG, then I can click on download. That's it. Your design are ready for share anywhere, community, friends, uncle, and anywhere you whatever you want to send. That's it. So if you found this video helpful for me, like and subscribe the channel. If you have any questions, please comment below. See you again. Take care. Bye.